Did you have to wear clothes in your childhood? Yes, I had to wear clothes in my childhood. Did you have name? My name is Parakado, and what is your name? My name is Jasu. In which class do you read? I read in class 3rd standard. And in which class do you read? I study in class 3rd standard. I want to ask you some question. Yes, you can ask me any question. Did you have to play in your childhood? No, I did not have to play in my childhood, but now I have to play. Did you have to speak in your childhood? Yes, I had to speak in my childhood. Did you have to go to school in your childhood? No, I did not have to go to school in my childhood, but now I have to go to school. Did you have to go to coaching in your childhood? No, I did not have to go to coaching in my childhood, but now I have to go to coaching. Did you have to read in your childhood? No, I did not have to read in my childhood, but now I have to read. Did you have to write in your childhood? No, I did not have to write in my childhood, but now I have to write. Did you have to speak English in your childhood? Yes, I did not have to speak English in my childhood, but now I have to speak English. Did you have to cook food in your childhood? No, I did not have to cook food in my childhood, but now I have to cook food. Did you have to speak in video in your childhood? No, I did not have to speak in video in my childhood, but now I have to speak it. Did you have to go? Yes, I had to go. Did you have to go to coaching? Yes, I had to go to coaching. Did you have to operate phone? No, I did not have to operate phone. Did you have to walk in your village? No, I did not have to walk in village. Did you have to go to market? No, I did not have to go to market. Did you have to buy clothes from Mullapur? No, I did not have to buy clothes from Mullapur. Did you have to sell clothes in Kaptanganj? No, I did not have to sell clothes in Kaptanganj. Did you have to speak lie? No, I did not have to speak lie. Did you have to do work in your childhood? No, I did not have to do work in my childhood, but now I have to do work. Did you have to sell phone? No, I did not have to sell phone. Did you have to sell cycle? No, I did not have to sell cycle. Did you have to wear clothes in your childhood? Yes, I had to wear clothes in my childhood. Did you have to see? Yes, I had to see. Did you have to sit? Yes, I had to sit. Did you have to sleep in your childhood? Yes, I had to sleep in my childhood. Did you have to weep in your childhood? Yes, I had to weep in my childhood. Did you have to put on slipper in your childhood? Yes, I had to put on slipper in my childhood. Did you have to create video in your childhood? No, I did not have to create video in my childhood. Did you have to buy a house? No, I did not have to buy a house. Did you have to go to Mullapur in your childhood? No, I did not have to go to Mullapur in my childhood. Did you have to comb hair in your childhood? No, I did not have to comb hair in my childhood, but now I have to comb hair. Did you have to go? Yes, I have to go. Did you have to speak in your childhood? Yes, I had to speak in my childhood.
Good clap for Palak and Asu.